Softies here. I don't know if you're like me and you love crocheting cute things, but the constant crafting can lead to some hand and wrist pain. I've been dealing with a lot of that lately. Doesn't help as I'm aging as well, but I've been getting pain from down my thumb into my wrist area and also my palm. And unfortunately, it has really slowed down my ability to keep designing and put out free patterns. But I've been working through it, and I wanted to share one of the ways that has worked for me so far. So for pain management and to help improve and alleviate some of that stress and pressure on my wrist, I found it really helpful to use a hand massager. I'm going to go ahead and share this one with you that I really like. You can get this on Amazon, so very accessible, and it's relatively affordable as well. Let's get into it and take a look at the Burrki Hand Massager. And that's that. It's quite simple to use, very intuitive, and I definitely find it helpful to be able to have some instant relief while and after using the massager. So definitely check it out if you would like to have something to combat that hand pain. I personally like to use this regularly, once every 2 to 3 days, and it has been helping me with getting back into my crocheting. Thanks so much for watching and have a great one.